So I've been working a lot on my ASP parts lately since the Wave 2 came out. And one of the things I was never quite happy with was the way the Epoch emitter looked. And so what I did was I modeled a new core in Fusion 360, and then I had it made at Shapeways. I used my own 3D printer, and the quality just wasn't quite right, even after a lot of sanding and different kinds of finishing techniques. So I got a prototype from Shapeways, and I was much happier with how clean everything came out. The other thing that it fixed was that my inner core for the Epoch emitter was always kind of loose. It just wasn't the right tolerances in there, so I got something that fits a lot better now. I've also been working on NeoPixel blade plugs. So I got my own NeoPixel blade plugs that I've been making, and I'm much happier with the way these windows came out. It's kind of hard to see, but there's some ribbing there and some detail on the emitter, and then just that nice window.